What is going on, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pair of auto locking carabiners. These are like the small, maybe 3.5 inch carabiners. These are the kilonewtons, goes up to 24 kilonewtons that way, which is a lot, which is pretty much the standard, and 7 kilonewtons of separation strength right here. Overall, I think they're pretty good quality for what they are. Super affordable. I've had the higher end. I see no issues between them. The metal feels about the same to me. The locking mechanism feels the same. Look at how smooth and easy that locking mechanism works right there. Both of them came out and they have this kind of purple color right there. They come in black. I don't see any issues with these things at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that just needs a standard type of carabiner that can kind of like do any type of climbing, or what I have is like more towing and things like that, where you want to do like a quick lock, but when it's locked, it can't open and it locks on, and you see that locking mechanism, and look how fast, one-handed operation, lock it onto something. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, 2-pack auto locking carabiners. See you on the next video.